Okay, this is a Grand Lapa area. It's me, reflection.
Chiquinha, chiquinha,
Let's go check out the room.
chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is a Grand Lapa area. It's me, reflection. And this is Casino Eastern. So what we're gonna do is walk down this Grand Lapa area. And Grand Lapa is this place right here, and there's a nice bar up top. But what we're gonna do is just kind of show you this courtyard. So it's also easy to hang out in this nice, beautiful Portuguese looking area with this nice black and white tiles. And sometimes I'll see different events going on here. I don't see any today. But you do have this beautiful park right here. And looks like you have some boutiques in there. There's I don't stay in hotels in Macau because I live in Macau. But if I did, this one has some pretty good rates for a hotel that has a nice quality to it. Plus you have these beautiful fountains right next to the hotel too. So yeah, it's Grand Lapa. I don't know what this yellow building is. And then that's Rio Casino right there, the big shiny gold one behind this yellow building. And what we're gonna do is just walk down this street a little bit. Oh, it's a Thai restaurant, Nam Thai. Okay. Let's see what this so Thailand Agua. Looks kind of well known. Okay. So we're just gonna keep walking. Some nice parks in here. So, okay. That's kind of what this looks like. I'm just gonna walk further down this road and see if we can see anything interesting. Giving you a taste of Macau anyways. So it's kind of an urban place with one of the highest density places in the world actually. Some bag there. Looks like it's empty. Some tourists resting, watching TV. As you would, I guess. Beautiful tree. Okay, Avenida Xian Xinghai. I guess that's this avenida here. So, yep. And we're just gonna walk along this park. Show you the root system of these trees. There's a beautiful sculpture over here. Xian Xinghai, I don't know who that particular person is, but there's a sculpture and a root system. Yeah, you can see a sculpture right there. So whoever he is, they definitely are honoring him with a street and a statue. Beautiful trees in Macau. And I think I'm going to try to get across the street. Try to get in the shade a little bit. But yeah, that's Grand Lapa. It's the same casino. Gold shops right nearby. And I might conclude this video right here, but you can get a sense. Oh, this is the World Trade Center. This red building. That's where you do your paperwork if you're trying to become a resident. Cheers bar. Okay. Didn't know where that was. I hear about it. Teriyaki. Japanese, teppanyaki Taiwanese. Looks like Japanese, but it's not. So pretty cool apartment buildings right there. I don't know if you can see those, but they have like these curvature windows. Sometimes I'd film it with my other camera with a zoom. It's kind of cool. Get these tall beams, tall ceilings. Alright, so I think you kind of get a sense of this area as well, so I'll turn off the camera. Sofa property, apartment building, I guess, and we'll complete all the motorcycles there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.